Theory ends here. This is the executable plan, week by week, what to build, what to publish, and what to ignore. Follow it sequentially. Don't skip ahead. The order is the system. Week 1. Foundation goal. Avatar identity, image library, brand basics. Day 1. Pick niche using the 4-factor score. Module 1.3. Day 2. Build persona sheet. Module 2.1. Day 3. Generate first round of avatar images. Module 2.2. Day 4. Refine until you have 1 hero, 3 talking head, 5 emotions. Day 5. Set up image library folder structure. Day 6. Build brand style guide, logo, colors, fonts. Day 7. Review and adjust everything from week 1. Week 2. Voice and first test goal. Avatar speaks for the first time. Day 8. Sign up for HeyGen Plus 11 Labs. Day 9. Upload avatar to HeyGen. Run test render. Day 10. Pick or clone voice in 11 Labs. Day 11. Render test video, 30 seconds, generic script. Day 12. Iterate on voice and image until quality is acceptable. Day 13. Set up social accounts. Top 2 platforms only. Day 14. Bio, profile pic, basic branding. Live everywhere. Week 3. First 10 videos goal, production muscle, voice consistency. Day 15 to 16. Write 10 short scripts. Use hook, right pointing arrow, problem, right pointing arrow, solution, right pointing arrow, CTA. Day 17 to 18. Render all 10 in HeyGen. Day 19. Add captions to all 10. Day 20. Schedule across your 2 platforms. Day 21. First post goes live, no expectations, just shipping. Week 4, funnel setup goal. Capture audience, set up monetization. Day 22. Pick affiliate network plus 1 product to promote. Day 23. Build lead magnet, use AI to draft, refine yourself. Day 24. Set up email service, ConvertKit, Behave. Day 25. Build opt-in landing page, card, Behave, or similar. Day 26. Build bridge, thank you page with affiliate offer. Day 27. Write first 3 emails of nurture sequence. Day 28. Update bio links across all platforms to point to opt-in. Week 5 to 6. First batch production. Day goal. Build the production cadence that scales. Block 1 full day, 6 hours, for batch production. Write 30 scripts in 1 session. Generate 30 audio files in 11 labs. Render 30 HeyGen videos. Caption and schedule all 30. By end of week 6, 30 plus days of content scheduled. Key point. Week 6 is the moment most beginners quit. They've posted for 5 to 6 weeks without seeing growth. That's normal. The first real growth signals appear in week 7 to 9. Don't quit during the silent period. Week 7 to 8. First optimization cycle goal. Identify what's working, double down, pull metrics from your first 30 videos, identify top 3 by retention, identify their hook patterns and topics, plan next 30 videos heavily weighted toward what worked, run a paid test, $50, on your single best video to amplify, add at least 50 emails to your list. Week 9 to 10. Long form launch goal. First YouTube long form video, pick the strongest topic from your shorts, write 8 to 10 minute long form script, use AI prompt library, source B-roll, screen recordings, AI images, render avatar segments, 4 separate scenes, approximately 30% of total runtime, edit, add captions, design thumbnail, publish on YouTube, use Opus Clip or similar to spin off 5 to 10 short clips. Week 11. First product launch goal. Beyond affiliate, your own offer, live, pick the simplest digital product, templates, prompts, checklist. Build it in 3 to 5 days using AI to accelerate. Build sales page, use AI prompt template, set up Stripe, Gumroad, your LMS for payment, add product to email sequence as the natural. Day 5 to 10. Offer, mention product in 3 to 5 videos that week. Week 12. Scaling decisions goal. Decide where the next 90 days go. Full audit. Which platform converts best? Which content type? Which offer? Decide the next 90-day focus. More content? Better automation? Avatar number 2? Set 90-day revenue and audience growth targets based on actual data. Build hiring or tooling plan if needed. Take 1 to 2 days off. You've earned it. What success looks like at day 90. Realistic milestones for a follow the system operator. Followers: 1,000 to 10,000 across primary platforms. Email list: 200 - 1,500 subscribers. Revenue: $100 to $2,000 in month 3. Content library: 90 plus short videos, 1 to 2 long form, 1 product, 1 funnel operational state, 1 batch production day per month, automated scheduling warning. If you're below the low end of these ranges at day 90, the issue is almost always 1. You skipped weeks, 2. Your hooks aren't varied enough, or 3. You're posting on too many platforms instead of dominating 2. Audit honestly. Adjust. Keep going. Beyond day 90, the first 90 days build the engine. The next 90 days are about optimization and scaling. The 90 days after that are about either deepening your moat, single avatar, better products, or expanding, avatar number 2, second niche, second language. The plan above is a template. Your version will deviate. That's fine. What matters is that you have a structure, you're shipping content consistently, and you're measuring what works. The system runs on your discipline. The avatar is just the visible part.